At first watch the videos. Can you see different in two videos? In this video I will learn how to make videos like this using a mobile phone. I use all filter in CapCut Pro. I know these are very value, so I make a plan and wait for last. First open CapCut. Select new project. Select Santa Monica. Click OK. Select Sunkus. Select Whisper. Your video is ready, but you can't save. I have an idea. You can screen record in your video. After finish your screen record video, go to InShot. Select your screen record video and crop it. Select your video and crop it. And this is the final result. This is the final result. To get more video, subscribe my channel.